Colorism is a prejudice based on skin tone, where people are treated differently based on the social hierarchy associated with it. It often manifests as a preference for lighter skin tones over darker ones, leading to discrimination and bias. This essay examines the pervasive issue of colorism in Jamaica. We'll look at how it's rooted in the island's colonial history and see how it continues to impact individuals today. Get ready to explore the ways in which colorism perpetuates inequality and the urgent need to address this deeply ingrained prejudice. Jamaica's history of colonialism is directly linked to the development of colorism. During British rule, a social hierarchy emerged, placing Europeans at the top, followed by those of mixed race, and then those of African descent. Lighter skin, often associated with European ancestry, became desirable, granting access to power, wealth, and social standing. This created